Welcome to Crafty Kids TV. Today, we are mixing cloud slime with kinetic sand to make the most satisfying texture. Find kinetic sand at your local department store. Look at the texture. So smooth. This is the slime we will mix the sand with. If you need a tutorial for slime, check out my slime playlist. I love the matching colors. Now let's mix.
Wow!
Enjoy these ASMR sounds. Let's add some shaving foam so it will mix even better. It looks so pretty. Looks like the ocean. So stretchy. So much fun. Try it yourself and let us know how it goes. Let's put the stretch to the test. Okay, pretty far. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe.